Have you ever wondered where your money goes every month? You work hard, you earn, you try to save, but somehow your bank account never seems to grow. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle financially, not because they don't make enough money, but because of small habits they don't even realize are hurting them. Today we're diving into the 10 most common money mistakes that keep people stuck, and more importantly, how you can fix them starting today. Because building a better financial future isn't about being perfect. It's about making smarter choices one step at a time. Mistake 1. Not having a budget. The first mistake, and probably the biggest, is not having a budget. Most people treat their money like a mystery. They earn it, spend it, and then wonder why there's nothing left at the end of the month. Without a plan, money disappears faster than you think. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving your money a purpose. Think of a budget as a roadmap. Without it, you're just driving in circles. Start simple. List your income. List your expenses. Track where your money goes. When you know your numbers, you take control. Mistake 2. Living beyond your means. Meet Ali. Like many people, he loves the feeling of buying nice things. There's nothing wrong with enjoying your money, but problems begin when you start spending more than you earn. Ali swipes his credit card again and again. Shopping bags pile up. Trying to look rich is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. When lifestyle grows faster than income, stress follows. The truth is, real wealth isn't about appearances. It's about stability and freedom. Ali compares needs versus wants checklist. Spend less than you earn. Prioritize needs first. Looking rich might impress others, but being financially secure will change your life. Mistake 3. Ignoring small expenses. Small expenses don't feel dangerous. A coffee here, a snack there, a subscription you forgot about. But over time, these tiny leaks can sink your financial ship. When you add them up, small expenses can cost thousands every year. Track your spending for just 1 month. You'll be surprised where your money is going. Mistake 4. No emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Emergencies don't send warnings. Without savings, even a small, unexpected expense can turn into a major financial crisis. Start small. Even saving a little consistently builds protection and peace of mind. Mistake 5. Careless credit card use. Credit cards can be helpful tools, but used carelessly, they become expensive traps. Interest grows silently, turning small purchases into long-term debt. Use credit responsibly. Pay balances in full whenever possible. Mistake 6. Not saving first. If saving is what you do with leftover money, chances are there won't be any left. Pay yourself first. Even small automatic savings build powerful habits. Mistake 7. Lifestyle inflation. When income increases, many people increase spending just as fast. Instead of getting ahead, they stay stuck. Savings percentage increases instead. Increase savings when income rises, not just expenses. Mistake 8. No financial goals. Without goals, it's easy to drift financially. Goals give direction and motivation. Mistake 9. Emotional spending. Money is emotional. Stress, boredom, and mood often influence spending decisions. Pause before purchases. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Mistake 10. Waiting too long to learn. The biggest mistake is waiting for the right time to get serious about money. Time is your greatest advantage. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Avoiding these mistakes doesn't require a huge income, just awareness and consistency. Financial success isn't built overnight. It's built through small, smart choices repeated every day. You don't need to be perfect. Just start. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for simple money lessons that can change your future. And tell us in the comments, which mistake will you fix first? Because your financial future starts today.